Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add shipping costs on Shopify. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, on your PC or laptop, open up Shopify. And now once here, you want to click onto the settings option, bottom left hand corner of your page. And then under your Shopify name, store name, you want to click into shipping and delivery. It's about the 8th and 9th from the top. So as you can see, there's general shipping rates. If I want to add a price to these, just click into it. And then as you can see here are the rates for domestic in Australia, because I'm currently in Australia. Now if you want to edit these rates here in Express, for example, click on the three dots, edit rate. So at the moment it is 15, but if I want to make it 20, just go ahead and put in 20 and then click on done. And likewise with standard, if I want to make standard say $12, type in 12 like so. And then for international rates, the same thing. At the moment it's $20. If I want to make that, say for example $75, add that in and click on done. And now once all of that is done, go ahead and click on save, and your shipping costs has been changed or been added in on Shopify. Alright, that's it for this video guys, how to add shipping costs on Shopify. Thanks for watching this to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.